How to use picture in picture mode on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up any YouTube video of your choice and then double right click on the screen. Yes, make sure that you are double right clicking, not left one. And you can also left click, but you have to press Control and then double tap with your mouse on the left hand side, which simply means double left click, but also press Control on your keyboard in order to get this option. After that, click on enter picture in picture and this will open up this way. Now you can do your any task in the background while this is still working or playing. You can pause it up if you want to. You can also play it back. You can also forward or rewind, and if you want to get back, simply tap on this option on the top right hand side, and this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.